Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for getting latest video updates. So in this video we are going to discuss about statistical functions in Excel like average, count, countif, minimum, maximum, etc. Let's start learning statistical functions.
Settling down, my text go to the screen. You know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming home to tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling.
So in statistical functions in Excel we have average, which is used to find the average of a set of values using first method is equals to average number 1 colon number 2. Second method is equals to total values divided by number of units. Second function minimum, which is used to find a least value out of a large set of numbers, so is equals to min number 1 colon number 2. Maximum, it is used to find the highest value in a range using this formula is equal to max number 1 colon number 2. Count, which is used to count only numbers in a range of cells. It will give you the total number of values in a range of cells, so is equals to total number 1 colon number 2, count number 1 colon number 2. Countif is a function which is also used to count only specific numbers whichever I specified in a criteria place, whatever the criteria place is there. Here I have to mention what character computer has to count, then the computer starts counting that given character which is in double quotations. So countif. So let's execute these functions using an example. Let's go to a sheet 1. Here we have an example sheet. Names, some set of marks in subjects scored by some students. Total marks secured, total actual marks, average, minimum, maximum, total exams present, total exams absent. So let's zoom. Now you can clearly see here names, subjects, total marks secured, total actual marks, average, minimum marks, maximum marks, total exams present, total exams absent. So these are the things which I have to execute in this sheet. Starting from here, total secured marks to so to find the total in Excel we have a function called sum. So first we will execute the sum function. Here is equal to sum, open bracket. What is the first cell? C3. C3 is the first cell which is having marks contained in it. C3. The last cell is H3. C3 colon H3. So colon is a symbol which will select every cell starting from beginning cell to ending cell. Enter. So there is no need to type same formula for every row. There is a button at the bottom right corner of active cell which is called fill handle. Using fill handle we can drag down, drag up, drag left, drag right based on the requirement. Here my requirement is to drag down to fill up remaining cells with total. So fill handle, which is at bottom right corner. So bottom right corner, the moment we place this cell pointer on it, it changes to black color, so which means fill handle got selected. Black color indicates that fill handle is selected. Hold left click on it, drag down, so automatically we get the totals added to each and every cell of every row. Now actual marks, we have 6 subjects here, so we will type manually 600 and drag down using fill handle. Now average is equal to, using first method, as I told you there are 2 methods, first method, second method. Now I am going to find that average using first method, that is function, is equal to average, first cell C3, last cell is H3, last subject is in H3. C3 to H3, C3 colon H3, enter, drag down. Similarly, do it for in the second method, which is total of values by number of units. So total of values, total of marks. In this example, we have total of marks divided by number of subjects. So total of marks, total secured marks is in I3 is equal to total of marks is in which cell we have? See, I3 divided by, so number of subjects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the unit. So this is how we do, enter, drag down. So we have an option called decimal increase decrease here. These are the options. So decrease decimal, increase decimal, decrease decimals. How do we use them? Let us see. So if in case if I want to increase the decimals, decimal places will get increases, decreasing the decimals to how many you want, that many. 2 decimals, if here I am using only 2 decimals for every result. Minimum marks is equal to MIN, same cell address, C3 to H3, bracket close. So minimum marks scored by first student is 35 in one of the subject. Maximum marks, max, C3 is the first cell, H3 is the last cell. Maximum 98. Total exams present, to find the values. So before executing this, we will do one thing here. We will put an absent for one of the subject A to few students A. So as I said, count function is only going to count the numbers, not the characters. A is a character, so count function will not count the A, only it will count number of values in cells, selected range of cells. So system executed like this: count H3, C3 to H3, 5 means there are only 5 values. 1, 2, this is not a value. 3, 4, 5, this is a character, alphabet. So 5 is the result. Total exams present. Now absent, count F. Since there is a character to be counted, count F, C3 to H3, comma. So in the place of criteria in double quotations, we will type here A. Criteria means condition. What kind of characters this countf has to count? A. The only letters A, if it finds anywhere within the range, it will count and gives the result in that cell as 1 or 0 if it doesn't find any A, absent 1. So this is how we can execute the statistical functions with this example. Hope all of you have understood this statistical functions. Do like, share, comment, subscribe to my videos for next videos notifications. Hit bell button. Please do suggest any suggestions if you have in my comment section, so that I can improve my videos and way of recording. Thanks for watching.